Hello everyone, so today we are having 2025 N250 with new graphics. So shortly we are going to test its exhaust thumb. So let's put the ignition. First let's put it to the neutral. So at idle condition this is the exhaust thumb. So let's rev it.